Hey guys, my name is Jasmine Hentz, and this is my introductory presentation. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of fun facts about me. My name is Jasmine Hentz. I had to capitalize the Y in my name because you would not believe how many variations of Jasmine there are in this world. I have gotten multiple, like, crazy spellings of my name. So I had to capitalize the Y. So you guys know I am Jasmine with a Y, just in case there's another Jasmine in the classroom. So yeah, it's pretty important to me. I am 22 years old. I was born December 18th, 1996. So I'm the best Sagittarius. um, I am Puerto Rican and African American. My mom is Puerto Rican and my dad is African American. Excuse me. My favorite color is black. When people ask me, "Oh, what's your favorite color?" They're expecting like blue, pink, purple, green, whatever. I like black. It's what my closet consists of. You cannot, go wrong with it. It matches everything, and it's a mood, to be honest. um, my favorite book and film are The Great Gatsby by Scott Fitzgerald and The Outsiders by S.E. Clinton. Excuse me. I love The Great Gatsby. My favorite quote from it is actually by Daisy Buchanan, and she says, "The best thing a girl can be in this world is a beautiful little fool." And I just think that quote resonated with me, not because I'm a fool or anything, but it's just, I don't know. You have to see the film if you haven't already. Go to Booth Library, go rent it, pop it in your laptop. You have to watch it. The Outsiders by S.E. Clinton. I fell in love with it my middle school years when we had to read the book and watch the film. I love The Outsiders so much. I actually have Stay Gold tattooed on my wrist. If you have not seen The Outsiders, you know, come over and we can watch it together. Best film, hands down, classic. You have to see it. My favorite food is fries. Not to limit, the potato family, but I love potatoes in general. Fried, baked, mashed, sweet, whatever. I love it. A little bit of background information about me is I was born and raised in Evanston, Illinois. And for you, those who do not know where Evanston is located, it is on the north side of the state. It is, um, I guess, some famous landmarks would be Northwestern University is in the heart of Evanston. Also, we have Loyola University, which is right on the border of like Chicago and Evanston, right there. A couple years ago, my family moved to Chicago, and that's why the star is landed there because that's where I usually say I'm from because no one knows where Evanston is. Some educational information about me is I attended a magnet school, so from kindergarten through 8th grade, I went to a school called Martin Luther King Jr. Laboratory Magnet School. Great school. My 8th grade year, my family moved to Morton Grove, Illinois, and so I transferred to Goff Middle School to finish my 8th grade year. And then after that, we moved back to Evanston, where I attended Evanston Township High School my freshman year. Fun fact, I took sign language my freshman year, so I do know sign language. I wish I would have put the big webcam on this presentation, but I just got off work, so I do not look the best. So just bear with me. After my freshman year at ETHS, I transferred to Carl Schurz High School, which is located on the northwest side of Chicago, so it's by Lane Tech in that area. Right now, I'm currently a senior at Eastern Illinois University. Woot woot. I am majoring in elementary education with enhancements in middle level language arts and social science. So I'll be able to teach first grade through fourth grade any subject, and then fourth through 8th grade, I'll be able to teach language arts and social studies is what we call it now. Before anyone judges me, top right hand corner, that is not my mugshot. I promise you. I got student of the month, and I guess that's how I decided to look at the end of the day. I don't know. After high school, my love for softball grew. I played Little League when I was younger, but my dad was the coach, so you can only imagine how fun that was not. But once I got in high school, I figured I might as well get active, try something new, and so that's what I gravitated towards. Another fun fact about me is I'm very family oriented. I have three beautiful sisters. Two are younger and one is older. They are my lifelines. They are everything to me. So I had to put them in the presentation. It's only right. My youngest is named Sophia. The middle is Dominique. I'm Jasmine. And my older sister is Sonia. Some hobbies of mine, well, probably the only hobby of mine is food. If you could not tell about how passionate I was about fries and potatoes, I love food. I love cooking it. I love buying it. I love, well, not so much the spending part, but I love buying it. I love everything about it. It's an art, an edible art. Like, so you cannot go wrong. Um, so if you are ever wanting to try new things, hit me up. I'm always down for a good plate. I will not judge. I do not discriminate. Summer plans this summer. I am working at the Eastern Illinois University bookstore in the Union. So if you have not stopped by and got some EIU merch, do so. I am there from 8 to noon. Check it out. We've got some great new stuff coming in. I also work in the afternoons with the Charleston Parks and Recreation Day Camp. So I am a camp counselor and an inclusion aide. Here's a picture of us at our Casa del Mar dinner 2 weeks ago. And on weekends, I work at the Charleston Parks and Rec Rotary Aquatic Community Center. So right behind the Mattoon Middle School, there is a water park. It's got a nice pool, pretty chill. Come check it out. It's sunny out, it's summer, get a tan. I'll be there every weekend, so check it out. On the more educational side of the presentation, my experience with technology and society, I know I have social media, and so I have inserted them in this PowerPoint. Feel free to follow, add, whatever. I try to be as connected and try to get those connections in now. So yes, if you would like to add me, I will always add back. Team follow back. So definitely check it out. When it comes to my knowledge about how technology works in society, I am probably about just as clueless as the next person. I know I love social media. I know how to operate it. I know I have an iPhone. I know I have an HP laptop. But anything beyond that, I cannot tell you too much about. So after this course, I hope to know more about how technology affects the society. I would hope to learn more about how technology is growing. So after we write these term papers, I'm super psyched to check you guys out if that's possible, because any way you can expand my knowledge, I am down. Super excited. That will conclude my presentation. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to comment on the discussion board. Feel free to email me, whatever. Like I said, I'm down to making friends, down to making those connections. So if anything about my presentation triggered you, or something you liked, or something that you want to ask me about, feel free. I won't say no. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to be as entertaining, so I didn't take up 9 minutes of your day or night. But yeah, hope to learn more about you guys as well.